guys, so I just got the keys to my brand new first apartment here in Tampa. I'm going to be attending the University of Tampa this fall, and I'm living off campus in this gorgeous apartment, so I'm going to just give you guys a quick little tour. Right here we start with the washer and dryer. It's super fancy. One of my favorite spots of the apartment is this cute little cubby area right here. Super adorable. If you'll follow me this way, then we go into my bedroom. So here's the bedroom, super cute. It has this adorable little cutout right here so you can like kind of peer into the kitchen. And then of course, my favorite part is the closet. Nice and big, already has my pink hangers in it. I'll show you guys the bathroom. This is the bathroom, nice and cute. Has a really pretty white tub, nice little curved shower curtain, and a huge mirror. I love the mirror. Love all the white and gray. And then on in here is the living room slash kitchen area. So here's the living room. There's my mom. And over here is the kitchen. I've made a mess already, as you can see. We got this nice island right here, and then tons of cabinet space. And then out here is my patio. And here is the fridge. And yeah, guys, that's my little quick apartment tour. Okay guys, so that completes my apartment tour. So I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my other social media. Bye guys.